Hello and welcome to part 11 of this web design tutorial for teens. So as you can see in our website, we have this table that we've added from Bootstrap, and now let's see if we can make it a bit better. So to go into all of the different types of tables into that Bootstrap has, we just click documentation, and then we type table, and then enter. Now, as you can see, this is the table that we used first. So another table that we can use is table dark. This will essentially make our table a darker color. So to implement this, as you can see, they say just type table-dark as the class name. So we can just go back into our code and then type table dark. Now, if we go back into our website and then refresh, we can see that our table has become dark. Now, let's say we want to include a nav bar just like this one in our website. Well, it's very easy. All we have to do is go into our search bar and then type nav bar. And then we simply, this is a sample of the nav bar that we had that we're going to have. You just simply copy this nav bar code. Of course, you can write it by yourself, but it's always easier because they just have it there for you. So it's always easier to just copy it from the page. Now, if you paste it and then click save, we can refresh our page and then see that now there's a nav bar on our page. Now we can customize this nav bar by going into our HTML and then typing, instead of nav bar, we can type student management system. Then if we refresh, we can see that our name has come up, a student management system. Now, as you can see, there's a home. The home, none of these links now, none of them actually redirect anywhere. And as you can see, the thing that they use to redirect is the A tag that we talked about before. So now let's add another HTML file called aboutus.html. And then, as usual, we type HTML and then head and then title and then about us. And now inside of our under our head, we type body and then H1, and then we can type about us again, and then inside of a paragraph tag, we can just type some sample text. Okay. Now, if we go into our index.html, we can change this link's name to about us. And now if we save and then refresh our page, we can see that the link says about us, but when we click it, nothing happens. So to actually make it redirect somewhere, we have to add the location of our about us HTML file. So to do that, we type / and then about us .html. Now if we save and then refresh our page, we can see that the about us link has come. Now if we click it, we've been redirected to the about us page. Now you may notice that the about us page does not have the same font as our regular index.html page. We can easily change this by linking our style sheet by using the link tag and then typing rel style sheet and then href and then the location of our style sheet. Oh, sorry. And then typing the location of our style sheet. Now, if we refresh our page, we can see that the font has come back. And then in order to have our nav bar in about us as well, we simply copy the nav that we made in index.html and then paste it in about us. Now if we refresh our page, we also have to link the style sheet, because without that, the Bootstrap won't be recognized. Now if you refresh, we can see that our nav bar has come back. Now, thank you for watching. This has been part 11 of this web design tutorial for teens. Please stay tuned.